How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to be taking the door panel off of this Jeep Wrangler. All you should need is a plastic pry bar, T25 Torx bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. We're going to have one right here where the grab handle is. I just take the plastic pry bar, kind of make some room. There's two little clips holding it in place. You have one up top, one up bottom. And you're going to have two Phillips head screwdrivers behind there. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our cover behind the door handle. There's a little cutout. If you open the door handle, you'll see it. Just kind of pry forward and it should pop free, kind of like so. And you're going to have one T25 Torx behind it. We'll go ahead and take that out now. You're going to have two where this net is at, kind of in this bottom corner. We'll go ahead and take those out as well. Now we'll grab our Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and grab those two behind the grab handle. Alright, so that's all the screws out of the door. You should have 5. 2 in the corner, 2 in the grab handle, 1 behind the door handle. But we're going to go ahead and grab our plastic pry bar. There's one more cover we need to pry off. Kind of just start at the top. Pop it free. There's 2 clips going in kind of by the door handle. These 2 right here. So whenever you pop this, don't pop from this side because those clips pop from the front and then pull it out kind of like so. Now we can use that same plastic pry bar and actually pop the door panel off. I like to start towards the bottom. Kind of just pop all the way around. You are going to have one wiring harness right here for the window lock switch. So I'll go ahead and wiggle this up and kind of show you guys that. Once you get to this point, you can kind of just wiggle up. Just be mindful of that wiring harness. And for the wiring harness, it's just a little clip. You just kind of pull it back with your fingernail. And kind of just pull out. Just like that. So yeah, that is how you remove the door panel on a Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for watching.